Welcome to my channel everyone. This is Elsie from High Hang Machinery. Today Elsie will introduce our wet wipes packaging machine. Here is the non-woven fabrics roll. Then the fabrics will through folding plates and conveyed to the water sink where the non-woven fabrics will get wet here. Then the wipes will be cut into pieces and fall on the chain and be conveyed forward. The shaper here will shape the film into a bag shape. Our machine is controlled by PLC and transducer. Touchscreen is easy to operate. Through sealing and cutting device, we will get the final products. Our conveyor can count final products according to needs. If you're interested, contact us.